Hey guys, good morning. It's Dave Santarelli from BreakingChartAlerts.com. We got about 3 minutes until opening bell, 2.5 minutes here. Markets honestly are rebounding beautifully from yesterday's sell-off into the close. Really wasn't too much of a sell-off. We still ended the day at all-time highs for the Dow yesterday. So we're continuing to climb. It seems like the unrest there at the Capitol is taken care of. They're still in lockdown and they're extending the curfew there, so things are looking good. Trump announced he's going to have a fair transition. Things are getting a nice little climb here. Tesla is up 3% here. We got a pretty decent sized trade on Tesla. We'll be looking to lock that in for the February 19th Expo. I really think we're going to see Tesla at $1,000 a share. So we'll keep an eye on that. Not going to sell that too early. I want to make sure we lock in those larger profits. I'm looking at that bigger run on Tesla coming. ExxonMobil here as well. Nice climb on ExxonMobil. If we zoom out a little bit more here, you can see we're getting up to some resistance that goes all the way back to early 2020 in April. So if we could break through, let's say, about 46.70, then I could easily see us going to 50. But it's not a bad entry here if you want to get something 3 months out till Expo. Looking at that $50 target, you pick up that 45 strike call. So that's going to be something. I'm going to get my ink pen here and write that down. XOM 45 call, target 50, and stop would be, we would have a tight stop on here of about 42.50. So I'm just writing that down. I'm going to see how ExxonMobil goes throughout the day here, and I'll see if I'm going to do a trade on that. Another one, the banks. Look at the banks. JP Morgan. JP Morgan's getting another nice climb here. Stock's up 3.5% here. Nice climb on JP Morgan. Bank of America as well. Bank of America having a huge climb there, 33.31. And you guys remember we had that Bank of America trade, and we were down on that quite a bit. Should have held on to it a little bit longer there, but it's looking pretty good. Happy with it. Here we go. Markets opening. Nice open here. Let's take a look at Tesla, see what that's doing. I'm watching Q's over here. Tesla at 780. Q's still on the climb. Let's see, what's Amazon doing there? Amazon 31.56.
WBA, Walgreens Boots, says expects no profit upside from COVID-19 vaccination in Q2. That's WBA.
Guys, we're up 25% on our Tesla trade. We're up over $1,500 for the day here. Big run on FedEx. FedEx has given us a nice climb, and our Intel trade, followed by our Tesla calls. I'm looking to see what I'm going to do here with SPY. I'm debating what I want to do with Alibaba too. I have a small BABA trade in the Trade Challenge account. Baba, let's see if she can break that that 10-day. She's still holding, consolidating, holding that 225. So I'll let her go. I think she's still ready for a big break out there. Let's see what FedEx is doing here. FDX. Here's one of our trades. A nice climb here. It has that support at 250. If we see FedEx continue to climb, I'm going to add to that FedEx trade. Right now, we only have about a $5,100 trade on FedEx for the February 19, 260 call. So I might add another $5,000 to that if I see that break that 260 area. Nice climb on Amazon here, guys. Take a look at Amazon. 31.75 here. Just had about a 20-point climb from the open. Nice breakout. Qs are still on the run. We're up over 2,000 for the day now. 27% gain on our Tesla trade. Intel's up $145. FedEx up $320. And our Amazon trade's up $210 for the day, even though that's still down overall there. Watching Qs. Let me put Tesla up over here. Tesla 778. I'm waiting for that next big run on Tesla there. I think that's going to be coming within the next couple of weeks. JP Morgan's looking good, still up at 3%. Holding that 135 area. I'm going to be watching the financials here today as well. Airlines should start to get a climb. Caterpillar's still breaking out, up $2.50 today, up 1.25%. Intel's up another 1%.
After the open. S&P up
There goes Amazon, guys, taking off. 31.75 on Amazon. Qs are still breaking higher at the highs of the day right now on Qs. Tesla there's consolidating a little bit. Let me put on SPY over here. I'm going to sell that SPY overnight trade here we got. I got that one contract as that hedge yesterday. Alrighty, I'm out of that, and let's see, order status. That was the hedge in the 87 cents. I'm out of the hedge. There goes Amazon, guys. 31.80 on Amazon. We have the 32.25 call, so another, if we get a 100-point climb today, we'll be set. Amazon's already up $43 for the day. Tesla's finally starting to get a little climb here. We're up over $2,000 for the day now. Let's see, Tyler says Google's ripping. Good morning, Paula. Efren, I saw Space this morning up like, what was it, up 6%? There goes Tesla taking off here, guys. Tesla's having a nice little climb here. Let's see. There goes Tesla, 779.10. Watching Amazon here as well. Watching Qs. Qs are holding that 311. There goes Tesla, 781. I'm telling you, that Tesla's going to hit $800 tomorrow. And that is looking beautiful there. We're up 29% on our Tesla trade. We're up $500 for the day on the Amazon calls there. Amazon getting up to 31.90 pretty quick there. There she goes, 31.87 on Amazon. Here is the gains for the day so far unrealized. Let me share with you guys. Really nice day today, and that's what I mean about just following the plan. Up $2,339 for the day. This one here is the Amazon. This one here is the Delta. This one below it, this is Disney. This one's the FedEx trade I'm thinking about adding to. What's the one below that? This is the Intel trade. Moderna, that one's dead. Can't even look at that one. Down $5,500 on that Moderna trade. Sickening. Here's the Tesla trade. That's for today's gains. So up $1,700 for the day on Tesla. Guys, there goes Tesla again. Look at that breakout on Tesla, 785. Let me just refresh that there. Big breakout on Tesla. Now we are up about $2,700 for the day here. And there we go. We're still climbing there on Tesla, on Amazon.
NVIDIA is a name, of course, that I think you know and have been associated with perhaps more than any other name. Maybe AMD.
Heck of a nice break out there.
This morning,
So again, Amazon,
they expect outperformance
Delta,
at CES. Remember, of course, CES is coming up.
and then down here we have, this is the Tesla,
And it's been down 17% versus the stocks up 24%
Visa.
early September.
And what happened on September 13th, David?
I forget what happened.
It's when they announced that they were going to buy ARM
Oh, right, the ARM deal.
40 billion.
Right.
Yesterday, the British authorities said
DXC, Delta X-Ray Charlie, with a statement.
Question mark.
right now, you know, I
Let's see here. What else could we jump into? I'm looking here.
hours people who
Bank of America is still on the climb, 33.39. Oh. Ephraim, we had this week's expo on that official Bank of America trade, didn't we? That we were originally down like 80% on.
If it were to occur
Could you imagine if we held on to that?
yet, and it very well may not, but the U.S., the reports were yesterday, the stocks did move yesterday. You can see Alibaba down a bit. The U.S. officials considering prohibiting Americans from investing
Good morning, Ray.
and Tencent. These are the two largest Chinese companies.
We got the 30.50 strike calls on Bank of America for 66 cents. They're now worth $3. That's what I mean. Sometimes the people that don't know the trade plan, they see that initial trade down 50, 60, 70%. But you have to understand, these are options. It's not trading shares of stock.
DXC Technology out with the press release.
So you're going to have those larger fluctuations, and you just got to follow the trade plan there.
Proposal from
There we go, another nice climb.
Wednesday night to acquire all DXC Technology shares.
Guys, we're up 35% on the Tesla trade now.
Consistent with its fiduciary responsibilities, will be evaluating the proposal.
Qs are still
Prior
breaking
to
higher.
receiving this proposal Wednesday night, DXC said they had no knowledge of any such interest from Atos, and they said they remain focused on delivering for their customers. That's DXC.
push it is the largest economy in the world. Somebody said the United States is, I think that's in dispute since the pandemic has been cured there for the most part.
What's going on, John? Good morning. I see you on camera there.
So that, and I said,
Not working at the hospitals lately, huh?
President basically cutting us off, whether you hate them or like
Thought you'd be in there getting that overtime with COVID. Here we go. There's another nice run on Tesla, guys. New highs of the day on Tesla. Nearing 790 on Tesla. We're now up 36% on the Tesla trade. Amazon looks like it wants to take off there. If Amazon can break that 3,200 today, I will be one happy man.
Again, a close eye on. We'll see what the transition of power in a couple of weeks means in terms of the approach to China, although there may not be that much difference.
Huge profits on the Tesla trade, guys. We're up $3,000 overall on Tesla. Up 37, 38% now.
would be to use a financial, to use what
Personally,
There goes Tesla still taking off there.
IPOs, I remember that.
790 on Tesla, guys.
Chinese company would come public. That to me is also something that do you really want to go down that road?
Well, I did suggest that. A lot of times I think that I was hard aligned in the Trump administration on what to do with China. Didn't want a lot of these companies that were not
ONTX,
put financials to come here.
Oncodova Therapeutics
We're losing so much money.
announces 8.7 million
Lose less
public offering at
if they. I always think
44
Let's go.
and a half cents per share.
Qs are climbing off that 10 nicely.
financials of Alibaba are every bit to me as open as are Amazon. I don't know if you knew that, but you've taught me Alibaba. You've taught me. No, you had me sit down with
There goes Tesla again, 789.
similar to what we tried.
Qs breaking higher.
Strong as well. Relatively strong, certainly versus many of those other companies you referenced, where it's much more difficult to get a full understanding of what's going on. Carl, don't want to forget shares of Tesla, because we haven't mentioned it. 41 minutes in, and they are up and up nicely. I had 745 billion as the market value. That's off FactSet, but that may be off. I haven't checked the last few.
Here's Tesla again, 789.
Regardless, it's
Breaking higher. Who is that?
Yesterday, one of the first names we mentioned, as you noted, it's taken a little bit longer to get to it, but 789 is going to be an all-time high. And Jim, as more of the sell side tries to play catch up, today's in RBC, going to 700.
ALKS, Alkermes shares seen some volume here. Seen a report from Deal Reporter that the company said to be weighing a sale.
There goes
Moving
Tesla
above the
again,
$20
guys.
level here, up 4%.
Another nice
And
run on
moving
Tesla.
higher here in ALKS.
This other than just say we got Tesla stock completely wrong. But we haven't got it wrong is fascinating.
Nice breakout on Tesla, guys. Efren, I just sold Tesla. 103 executed. Here you go, guys. Just sold that Tesla trade 103. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to take that over $3,000 profit and I'm going to do an out of the money vertical spread there. Okay, so it's really important, guys. Now what I'm going to be doing, I made about a $3,000 profit on Tesla. Let's see what I did here so I can show you guys what I'm going to do now with those profits, which is really important here.
They could raise $5 billion in the next 10 minutes.
Yes.
And so they have a limited supply of capital, is what you're saying. And for a company in a growth phase, the ability to open plants is
What's today's date? The 7th, right? There we go. Okay, so here's what I did so far today. So far today, as you guys could see, we locked in a profit. We locked in a profit on Tesla of $2,879.75. That was for the Tesla February 19th, 740 call, okay? So now what I'm going to do with this, I'm going to take this and a little bit extra because you guys know we have a 50% max stop loss. So $2,500, I'll probably make about a $5,000 trade on Tesla. I'm going to look for an out of the money vertical spread now that she's in breakout momentum. You see it up here. I mean, she's at 792, still breaking higher right now. So I'm going to take my profits, add a little bit. That way, if she does hit my 50% max stop loss, I'm only going to lose, $2,500 compared to, to the total amount there with having that stop. So I'm going to look right now at an out of the money vertical spread, and we will look to take some nice trades here going forward on Tesla. Let's see. Let me bring up the option chain. Okay, Tesla. I want to do the same thing going with that February Expo. Give it enough time. Spreads, buy to open, sell to open. I'm looking for something with at least a 300% gain now. Okay, because now I want to take that 5,000, turn that into that 20,000 there, 15,000. Okay, so I think we could easily get up to $1,000, right?
Was down 70.3% compared to November.
So I'm going to look at the 995, 1,000.
Passenger capacity was.
See what that's going for.
8.6%.
It's going for 70 cents.
Load factor fell 20 percentage points to
0.70 to be worth. We'll see if we could get it for 65 cents. So if I want to put $2,500 into it, 2,500 divide that by 65, that'd be about 38 contracts. I'll go with 50 contracts here of this out of the money vertical Tesla trade, okay? So that's the trade I'm going to be making.
Coming up at 10 a.m., the ISM non-manufacturing PMI for December.
TSLA.
That's coming up at 10 a.m.
Making that in the other account. I can't do spreads in the trade challenge account. Call spread, buy to open, do 50. We got plenty of contracts, as you guys could see as well. So let's look at the February 19th Expo. 995, 1,000. Net debit 0.60. It's about a $3,000 trade. It's open right now, not executed yet.
20%. Biden's proposal is to prove that the 39% with those making over $1 million. We might say, oh, that's nothing. Oh, it's not nothing. It is a substantial part of the universe of people that own stocks. They're wealthy people that make money. They buy the stocks. And the bulk of the capital gains are in technology. That's why technology was weak yesterday. If you look today, we got a little bit of a bounce back in technology, so mega cap stocks, this is where a lot of the capital gains are. And that's an
Still an open order, not executed yet.
market. But if you think about it, well, you might not be able to have big increase in taxes immediately.
5, divide that by 0.7. That's a 600% return. I'll bump it up to 70 cents there.
You see some of these announcements today, Bed Bath & Beyond, not great.
Be okay with that. View order. All right, guys, we got executed at 68 cents. So here's the trade I told you guys we were making. Okay, so here it is. We got executed at 68 cents.
Constellation report, beer sales way up. The beer division, David, shipments up 28%. 28%. And I think that is a new historic high there for Constellation.
So we got executed at 68 cents. We'll be looking for a quick 300-400% gain on that. So Ephraim, on that alert there, put on there, we got executed at 68 cents. So 5, divide that by 0.68. We have a max net gain. Max net gain of 635.29%. With Tesla at or above.
SNVL, very heavy volume, sending November Delta Lima.
Our stop on that will be 50%, or we were filled at 0.68, multiply that by 0.5, so 0.35 will be our stop per contract.
CLSD, Clearside.
Beautiful setup, guys. I like that. So that trade cost 68 times 50, 68 times 50. It's a $3,400 trade. That $3,400 trade could be worth. That $3,400 trade could be worth $25,000 there if Tesla's at $1,000 or higher by February 19th. So that's how you could quickly grow a small account there, by waiting for that breakout momentum, waiting for that catalyst like we're seeing with the EV here, the electric vehicles going into a Biden presidency. Oops. Where'd the option chain go there? That's going to be a nice payoff there. 635% gain. I'm watching ExxonMobil right above here. Guys, did you guys see Facebook today up $7? Netflix having a nice little run there as well. Let's see what else we got going on. Amazon at 31.81.
Shares of Clearside getting a poppy of 360.
Let's see, ExxonMobil. ExxonMobil 45.26, 45.27. Nice breakout there, Jack.
When I land, there's always a car waiting for me, courtesy of OnePlus. What's your top work? That
What happened to FedEx? We just had some green on FedEx. Now I'm down 850 bucks on that trade. Let's see what FedEx is doing over there.
WHO's immunization head says expects to be issued.
Guys, there goes
emergency
Tesla
listing for
taking off
additional
again.
COVID-19 vaccine.
Now Tesla, you know, it's worth 75 cents here. You just paid what, 68 cents? She's up to 75 cents right now in this that little breakout. She gets another 30-point climb, breaks that 800. This is going to be worth at least $1. It's going to be easy money there. Garage Warrior, I just looked at my FedEx trade and I'm like down $837.50. What's going on with it? Let's take a look. FDX. Let's first see if there's any news down here down below.
with riots on both sides in previous year and this year. Really need to know. I would love information.
Raymond James maintains outperform on animal. Raises price target to 17. Waste Management 131. Let's see what WM quick. That one was a good looking chart a few months ago. Waste Management 131 target. That's not bad. It's a nice upgrade. Okay, FedEx. FedEx 3-month daily. It's holding that 250. It's consolidating a little bit there. We have the February 19th on FedEx, so 100% not worried about that. Like I said, I'm going to be adding to that trade soon. As soon as we can break that yellow, see this yellow 10-day simple moving average? As soon as we can break above this, I'm looking for a break above 260. So this is where I'm going to be adding to the trade. Guys, new breakout here on Q's. New highs of the day on NASDAQ. NASDAQ's now up 214 points for the day. Tesla is near the highs of the day here, continuing to break higher. Our Tesla vertical spread there's at 75 cents. We picked it up for 68. So 0.75, divide that by 0.68. That's already a quick 10.29% gain there. And we're still breaking out here on Q's. Q's new highs of the day. And guys, this is the FedEx chart, right? FDX. This is FedEx. I'm going to be adding to this FedEx trade once we can break that 260. First candle above 260, I'm putting another $5,000 into this trade here. Easy money. You know, it just got upgraded. I think they upgraded it to 300 or something. So at 250, she's a bargain. And I'm going to be looking to add to that. Amazon trade's taking off here. I'd love to see Amazon break that 3,200 today. Not sure if we're going to see that or not, but
FSDC, FS Development Corporation getting a pop here. Foxtrot, Sandy, Delta, Charlie.
another nice breakout on Q's here, guys. Take a look at Q's. Thinking about doing a day trade on Q's here.
Merger company Gemini Therapeutics announcing FDA fast
Huge
track
climb there.
designation.
There goes Amazon,
That was
31.91.
Being circulated now.
Big breakout on Amazon, 31.92, 31.93.
That's Foxtrot, Sandy, Delta, Charlie.
31.94. I'd love to see another 60-point climb here on Amazon from now until tomorrow. I want to see Tesla have that next big breakout there. I want to find a good day trade, guys. If you guys are seeing anything, I'm watching this market movers list here as well. So if you guys take a look right here, let me add Rose here. 25. So as you guys could see here, here's the largest percent stock gainers for the day. Give E-Trade a minute here. Sometimes she struggles in the morning.
50% off a month of shakes. Go online or call 888-61-FIT-90 to save 50% on
Okay, so as you guys can see, I like looking for the ones that are at least 10, 15 bucks or higher here. So what's this one here? The 9, up 72% for the day there. There goes Tesla taking off again, guys. Nice breakout on Tesla. There goes Amazon. Qs are taking off. New highs of the day on Amazon, 31.96, 31.97, 31.98. Continuing to break higher on Amazon. Big breakout there. That little candle there, if you jumped into a day trade on that 1020 cross, just made you a ton of money. 31.98. 31.99 on Amazon, up $800 for the day on the Amazon trade. Let's see if she can continue that run. Getting right up to that 3,200. If she could break that 3,200 today, she'll be looking good. So again, getting back to the market movers here. You know, I like looking at these early in the morning because a lot of times, if you're seeing that volume coming in and you're seeing those big runs, it's gonna come up on the screeners of other traders there, and they're gonna be jumping in. That volume's gonna increase. That stock's gonna continue to climb higher. And then as you see, like if you see a good runner, you'll see them moving up in the ranks here. It's just like ranks, you know. She'll say, okay, this one's now up 16%, so she'll get moved up 3 spots there. So if you look at this, you know, just keep your eye on it, and you see something continually climbing up the ladder there, you know, it's something good to jump into as far as a quick day trade goes, or possibly even a swing trade.
Coming up, the ISM non-manufacturing PMI.
As protesters storm the nation's capital, perspective on the chaos. What it means
Qs are taking off again.
for his future.
Probably see Amazon making new highs here again.
Live on the CNBC app.
There she goes.
57.2, that's higher than the 54.6 that was expected. 57.2. S&P futures near the highs now, 37.
Nice breakout. There goes Amazon breaking 3,200. 3201, 3203, 3204. Big breakout. 3205, guys. Up $1,000 now on the Amazon trade for the day. Let's see that continue that breakout there.
Of course, Mad Money with Jim Cramer, 6 p.m. Eastern Time. Good Thursday morning. Welcome to Squawk on the Street. I'm Carl Quintanilla with David Faber and Morgan Brand. Stocks do go positive for the week amid the turmoil in Washington on Wednesday. Record highs for the NASDAQ and the S&P as Congress.
There goes Q's climbing again.
The White House typical director
So you're going to see Amazon do the same.
vowing an orderly transition. We're going to start the
There goes Q's. Q's at the highs again.
on Capitol Hill, and we're going to turn to Eamon Jatters once again. Eamon?
Carl, this morning, law enforcement is trying to put the pieces together.
Nice breakout on Q's. Still on the run.
Violence that we saw at the Capitol yesterday. But of course, there are a lot of videos
Tesla needs to break that 790.
of the attack, and there will be some
Qs are still breaking higher, guys. Huge breakout on Qs. Big run on Qs. We should see another big candle here on Amazon coming up. Should see a big candle on Amazon here coming up.
we are accepting tips and digital media depicting rioting or violence in and around the U.S. Capitol on January 6th. If you have information,
Look at that breakout on Qs.
website, they're asking for that information to come forward to the FBI so they can figure out exactly who's behind this and whether and which laws were broken.
3204
About how the inauguration
on Amazon. There she goes. 3205.
details around the planning of that event and giving some assurances that officials will be able to secure the Capitol for the inauguration of Joe Biden and Kamala Harris. But that is obviously going to be a security situation like we have not seen before in the United States, given the social unrest that we have seen now over the past 24 hours and also the ongoing and worsening pandemic conditions in the country. Officials are going to have their hands full with that. In terms of events in Washington, D.C., we will see a press conference from Speaker of the House Nancy Pelosi. That's at 1 p.m. at the White House. We have not seen or heard from the president this morning. Of course, he's banned
John, are you trading Google?
fighting violence on the internet, but he
Watching Tesla. Tesla wants to break higher there. Amazon probably just going to continue to climb throughout the day here. I like the looks of the chart. Qs are just unbelievable today. Take a look at Qs.
Senior
There
administration
goes Qs,
official
more
says,
new highs.
Top Russia advisor at White House National Security Council resigned. Several other senior NSC officials also.
There goes Tesla, guys. Big breakout on Tesla.
Reuters now.
That's what we were looking for. Come on. There goes Tesla, 289.69.
Acting U.S. Homeland Security Secretary Wolf calls on Trump to strongly condemn the violence that took place on Wednesday.
3208 on Amazon, guys. What a nice run there. There goes Tesla, 792 on Tesla, guys.
The first case of the COVID-19 variant confirmed now in Pennsylvania near Harrisburg.
What a nice run here. FedEx came right back again. We got a nice gain on our Tesla trade already. Qs are still breaking higher here, guys. Qs are almost up 300 points. Up 260 for the day on Qs. Amazon, 3207. There goes Tesla breaking out again. 793 on Tesla, guys. That vertical spread we picked up is going to be a huge gainer. There goes Amazon, 3209. Nice climb here, guys. It's just patience and discipline. We're getting there.
SDA, Sinovac, Sao Paulo's Buchanan Institute submitted requests for emergency use of COVID-19 vaccine made by China's Sinovac.
There goes Tesla again, 793.
Since February.
Qs are still breaking out.
Senior administration official says Trump's message on orderly transfer of power was aimed in part at averting further resignations, but not likely to stop some departures.
Nice job, Jack Dottie. FedEx, there she goes, 1020 cross. Let's see her start to break out.
Coming up at 10:30, natural gas storage.
Everything's holding the 10-day simple moving average now and still breaking higher, so looking good. Let's see, Julie Bryce says thoughts on XYL. XYL. Looking good there on a today 1 minute. It's got some resistance at 106. 3-month daily chart there. Looking good. Got a little bit of a doji. We're at the highs though on that. Not bad there, Julie. I'd be looking for a longer term trade on that though, because the possibility of a pullback there from that 105.76 back down to about 100, down to that 20. You see how she's been using that 20-day simple moving average, that blue line here, as an area of support every time she retraces. So, you know, possibility of retracement back down to about 101 is possible there. So just keep that in mind. But nice setup there on XYL. Let's see, Chris Jones says RDFN. RDFN on a 3-month daily is looking good. You got a nice dip there, came down, holding support at 67.50. You know, nice, not a bad setup there. I mean, she's still in breakdown momentum there. You know, 10 crossing below that 20. The MACD's already crossed there. You're below the 0 line on the histogram of the MACD, so still technically in BDM there, but you know, it's a nice little hook pattern there. You could trade back up to at least resistance at about, you know, 75 bucks. Could be an easy, quick little swing trade for you. Take a look at Amazon now. Amazon on it today, 1 minute. Climbing off that 10-day simple moving average. If you take a look at the 3-month daily chart here, I like the way this looks here. Thinking about making another Amazon trade going into the February monthly expo there. It's looking good. Still climbing. 36.07 back up to there on Amazon. And Tesla there at 793, continuing to climb there. There goes Amazon again, 32.0740. Nice breakout there on Tesla again. There goes Tesla. See that continued breakout here.
VSTA, Vasta Platform, says companies negotiating a potential transaction involving the purchase of certain educational assets from Aliba Educacio in Brazil. Victor Sandy Tango Alpha.
Another nice break out there on Tesla. I still can't believe what happened yesterday. I'm looking at some of the pictures there from yesterday.
XXII.
Tesla's just hanging out there, Jack Dottie, but Tesla's going to have a big breakout in the coming weeks here. No question about it.
There's some patent news on XXII.
Love that chart on Tesla. And the nice thing about that, we could take profits once she breaks, you know, 850 and still have about a 200% gain. I was looking at Plug there. Plug keeps crawling higher there. That had to have a reverse stock split, didn't it? Because I remember when that stock was back at, you know, $5 when I first started looking at it years ago. I actually traded that probably back in 2000. Oh.
XXII getting a new worldwide patent.
I remember it was a couple of bucks. She's $45 now. That's incredible. Qs are holding that 10, consolidating, waiting to break that 314.
Getting up here now.
Not bad there, Captain, but she's up $9 today, $10.
$1.68.
That First Solar too, FSLR. That's going to be a good one going into the Biden presidency.
BIDU,
That one's going to continue to take off.
plans to form smart electric vehicle company that, according to sources,
Baidu is making an electric vehicle company, guys. Take a look at Baidu. Baidu shares are taking off on that news. Maybe I could do a quick day trade in the trade challenge account here. Basic. Let's see what we're going for.
reported by Reuters, BIDU.
Let's see if we could jump in quick, take advantage of that run.
Shares of Baidu getting a pop on that. Probably get Delta Uniform.
Let's just pick up one, see what we could get in for. There we go. I'm in at 480 a contract. There she goes. Look at that. $6 already. Quick gain.
Baidu will hold a majority stake in absolute voting right in new company.
But you guys hear the
AAPL will
news
hold
on
a
Baidu, right?
minority stake.
I just jumped in the January 8th 210 call on Baidu there on that news. Already up over a quick $120 on that trade. There she goes, another big breakout on Baidu.
Homeland Security Chief is calling on the president to strongly condemn the violence that happened on Wednesday. We'll see what happens. Thanks so much. Good to talk to you again, as always. Our cash at UBS. My pleasure.
Well, exclusive T-Mobile CEO Mike Sievert take over developments in Washington and much more. That stock is up 2.5% this morning. We've got the S&P and the Dow at record highs. We'll be back right after this break. Stay with us.
So Schwab taught me about four-legged option strategies. You know, with an iron butterfly spread on that fintech stock.
Nice. I just tried an iron condor.
The only spread I've been introduced to is this onion chive.
It's time to trade up to Schwab, the firm invested in helping you
PFE and ABN COVID, UK Health Minister Hancock says justification for spacing doses of COVID-19 vaccine is because it saves more lives.
Hi, I'm John Fiorentino, inventor of GluePod, a breakthrough in relaxation that's quickly becoming your
Guys, I just sold out of that Baidu trade. Unbelievable. I made a quick $200 on that.
Our custom zero-gravity beat technology acts as a personalized cushioning system.
I just sold out of it, guys. Maybe I sold a little bit early, but I made some quick gains on that. So I bought it for $4.80. I sold it for $7. 7, divide that by 4.8. That's a quick 46% gain. I could have held on to it for another $1, but I should have got a few contracts of that, to be honest with you.
back on track. We've now got some senators who have changed their tune.
It's a republic.
That's a 2-minute trade there for 46%. That's the type of news that I love to trade off of. That's why you got to be ready. Be ready.
WAPT and Ergus getting a pop here, 224 on volume. Whiskey Alpha Tango Tango.
Qs are still breaking higher, guys. Take a look at Q's here. Back, she needs to break that 314, but Q's near the highs of the day. This is unbelievable. What a day. Thank you, Tyler. Any of you guys get into that Baidu trade? That was good news to take advantage of quickly there.
They were so stress-free.
Those are ones you just got to chase a little bit. When it's got news like that, you know there's going to be a lot of buyers stepping in. There we go. Another nice breakout on Q's here. There goes Tesla climbing back up to 790.
Politico says President Trump no longer expected to speak to the Republican National Committee via video.
I think Trump's finally given up here. He's going to be running in 2024, though. No question about it.
In the U.S. government at a high level. What were you thinking when you watched these images yesterday?
People might miss him over the next 4 years.
believe that was happening in the U.S. And I'm sure your guests have used all the words. I thought it was repugnant, disgusting, criminal.
Let's see. Jack says Intel. Jack, that's your first trade with us, that Intel trade, isn't it? How much are you up on that? Look at Intel go, guys. That's a huge mover there. I think I'm going to add some more to our Intel trade, to be honest with you. Let me see here.
And, you know, David, there's a tendency to think that while yesterday was worse,
Our Intel trade's up 4% already.
my sense is that the Trump presidency is a bit of a catalyst, and that the real change is now coming. I'm talking about change.
I think I'm going to add to the Intel trade, guys.
some members from current Democrats, they're just going
I want to do something with it here.
party, and the Democrats will have it. It'll be like a one-party state. And I think society, I think it will be
Up 5% on Intel.
people who were empowered and voting yesterday. So this is not the end. This is sort of
Pretty nice gains there.
of what's to come. It's funny. Yeah, I'd asked Andy Carter earlier about it. He was trying to be, I think, more optimistic than you. You know, as somebody who's obviously been part of a Republican administration, what
BLIN, Bridgeline, Digital Furniture Retailer selects Bridgelines. Celebros, search the Power Duke e-commerce website, that's BLIN.
Jack Dottie, nice. We were done on our Intel trade. How much were we down on that? Now we're in the green. Looking good. You know, that's what I mean about those longer term expos. You got to take advantage when you have those pullbacks and you see you're holding on support right there, and then you get that green candle above the previous candle's body. That's where you got to add to that trade that's down 50, 60% that you still have a couple of months until expo for. Anything less than a month, you know, you got to get rid of it if she's down 50%. But when you have those quick pullbacks and you still got plenty of time till expo, take advantage of it.
You're just going to have a dysfunctional Republican Party that will continue to get smaller and smaller.
Secretary Gutierrez, I'm curious, I mean, the country's very
UK's Health Minister Hancock says hospitalizations will not fall as quickly as deaths in the first instance.
Another nice climb there on Intel.
coming out in this country on both sides. We've also seen workforces impacted by this and companies impacted. So how does unification actually begin? I guess more specifically, how do companies and businesses actually help bridge that divide between
I want to see Amazon break out again. Qs are still holding up really nicely. Qs are going to be a nice day trade when she does pull back. Because, I mean, she had such a run today. So as soon as she starts that breakdown momentum cycle on Qs on it today, 1 minute chart, you could be looking for some puts there for a quick day trade. But right now, she's still continuing higher. Look, markets are looking pretty good. Tesla came back down to that 50, holding that 50, getting a climb back up to 790 right now. And there goes Intel again. More new highs of the day on Intel. There goes Qs. Big breakout on Qs, breaking that resistance area and breaking that 314 resistance. Looking great there, guys. Tesla 790. Delta's not doing much. JP Morgan up 4.25% today. 137. Bank of America at 33.24. Let's take a look at the financials. BAC. Let's see. Jen Chao Chen says, do you consider NEO a dip at this time? Let's take a look at NEO quick for Jen Chao Chen. NEO today, 1 minute. It's up 4.7%. It had that pop in the morning. Now she's just pretty flat. 3-month daily chart, though. This is looking good. Chen, I'd be looking for a break personally. A candle with a body, green body, above $54. That's where I'd be looking at. Guys, Tesla's taking off now again. TSLA, Tesla's breaking out nicely off of that 10, 20, 50 SMA. Back up to 792. Q's breaking higher. And Amazon at 31.95. And there goes Tesla's 792.40. Back in the green on our Tesla vertical spread there. Intel trades up 3.25%.
TSLA Tesla, CNBC reporting Tesla CEO Elon Musk now the richest person in the world, surpassing.
Guys, breaking news. Elon Musk now the richest person in the world.
We're not criticizing the Fed. We're not criticizing corporations. We're, just letting things move at a normal fashion. I think that would be wonderful for market, and the market is showing it. People feel comfortable. People feel like we're going back to how it used to be from a policy point of view, but not from a societal point of view. The divisions in society will have to be confronted, and that's a big issue. That's something that
MPH, MFH, Michael Foxtrot Hotel halted on a circuit breaker. Mercury FinTech halted on a circuit breaker at the high.
which I think is what we need. And also, by the way, coming off of COVID as the vaccine takes hold,
Let's see.
pent-up demand, and people have been holding on to their cash, and people want.
Wow, he's nearing $200 billion net worth.
Actually pretty optimistic about it.
That's insane.
Finally, though, I mean, if you don't have a properly functioning society, at some point that's going to catch up with all those other things. As we watch the S&P hit the rise of the Nasdaq, it's going to catch up with the business community eventually, isn't it?
Yeah, and eventually, how long does it take? At some point, let's call it a social civil war. Wars start and wars end. How long it's going to take to just bring this down, pacify it, temper it? It could be a year, it could be two, it could be five. And yes, eventually that will spill over into society. But look, demand will be there. People want to spend their money.
Let's see what else is going on here on the movers.
It's not a done deal that this will bring down the economy.
Triple D's are moving.
Down safety. It will bring down eventually, and you're making a good point.
Ephraim, you've been watching those Triple D's, right?
Do I want to invest there? Is my plant going to be overrun by someone because I'm a foreign investor? Yeah, those things can impact. And eventually they will.
I think you're more of a Triple D type of guy. There she goes. Look at that Triple D continue to break higher. That just came out on the watch list here for market movers. Huge. Oh, there we go. Jun Chao Chen is Jack in the group, by the way. Nice to have you with us, Jack.
With the screen to the right of you, Mr. Secretary. Always appreciate your taking time. Thank you.
I'll stick with the Jack. Jun Chao Chen. Sounds like that one guy from Rush Hour. What was his name? I forget. But nice to have you with us, Jack. If you need any help, let me know. Glad to help you out.
Report that Thursday's ATHX getting some takeover interest out of Tango Hotel X-Ray.
There's Jackie Chan, but then there's also that bad guy. Who is that bad guy? Zhang Zhao. Remember they were saying something like that? Running through the... I forget his name. It's been a decade or so since I saw that movie.
That from Insidia.
Bank of America. I wanted to do something with financials here, but Baidu pulled back. We got out of Baidu at perfect timing there. There goes Amazon climbing again, 31.95. There you go, Juntao. AMD January 15th 102 call sweeps. AMD's at $100 already. No way. 93, okay.
Tango Hotel X-Ray.
I could see that getting up to $100. I don't think it's going to get anywhere near $102 by January 15th, though. Unless they have a leap on that, I think that's going to be a losing trade. Here we go, Amazon climbing back up to that 3,200. Let's see if she could break it. Delta trade starting to take off here. Let's see what Delta's doing. Might add another $5,000 to the Delta trade we have for the June 18th 45 call. Look at Delta breaking out there, guys. Nice breakout on Delta. Oh, I'm getting some heartburn here. I gotta get some more of those Pepsi Completes. The coffee in the morning. Ever since I had the coffee in the morning now with the chemo, I don't know. Heartburn gets much worse. There goes Baidu running again, guys. Take a look at Baidu. Might be able to do another quick day trade on Baidu. No news on it, except for that news before they're doing a car company, electric car company there. There goes Amazon. Chung Ho says AMD.
Storage.
Let's see here.
That's coming up
AMD.
in about 1 minute at 10:30.
Yeah. Baidu back down to 210. Pop in a drop there.
Stormed the Capitol, the National Guard mobilized, and a country on the brink. What's next for America? The facts, the truth, the news with Shepard Smith. Continuing coverage today.
We have a big climb in the market today.
Twitter and Facebook temporarily locking President Trump's accounts, with Twitter warning of a potential permanent suspension if violations continue. Julia Boorstin has that story for us. Julia.
David, Twitter locked President Trump for the very first time. Now speaks of 3 tweets that violated its policies on inciting violence and spreading misinformation. It's at about 3 a.m. this morning.
Twitter, Facebook, and Snapchat
MGNI,
locked Trump's accounts after riots.
MGNI with a 30% downside. That's Michael Gove,
Oh,
November,
man.
India. MGNI, Spruce Point.
I feel bad for that guy.
MGNI.
They've abused him since before he even got in office, you know, and then they wonder why he
That's
is
Michael Gove,
as
November,
miserable as he
India.
is. I'd be pretty pissed off though too.
Any posts that support the storming of the U.S. Capitol, including the president's video about the protests and his misleading post about the election results. And YouTube removed the president
Shares of Magnite dropping here now. Again, Spruce Point is short to stop.
But these platforms are also drawing criticism for serving as tools to organize and incite yesterday's riots. A Facebook group called Red State Secession asked its 8,000 followers on Facebook to share the addresses of what they call, quote, enemy
Wow, Efren actually got the
50%
video
downside.
of that guy being shot in the Capitol.
force. Now, Chris Sacca, who's an early investor in Twitter,
Natural gas storage.
Wow.
A draw of 130 BCF.
Guys, JP Morgan is still on the run there. Thinking about doing a JP Morgan trade.
Versus the 137 BCF draw that was expected on natural gas.
criticism right now is Snap. It stopped promoting Trump's account back when he incited violence.
Natural gas futures getting a pop.
Now, yesterday, they blocked the president's account entirely.
Avilio, that presidency helped secure his family's future. That's why he did it. You know, he's going to go down in history now, and his kids have, you know, even if the hotels collapse, now they got a political career ahead of them. It was a smart move. I wouldn't run again, though, either. I don't know, though, Dayron. You know, what about his, he has like 500 or 600 million dollar loan due, doesn't he?
$2.45
In January?
WATT.
He has a lot of debt.
Spruce Point now tweeting. Pleased to issue a unique forensic review of MGNI Magnite for the organized merger. That's Michael Gove, November, India.
I'd like to see what happened. My mother thinks he's going to get arrested when he leaves office.
Video, name change to Talaria. Says
I don't know.
buying with 25 to 50% downside risk.
There goes Tesla again, guys. 792 back up. I want to get into a JP Morgan trade.
They do focus on national security. So definitely significant.
There goes Tesla, 793, almost at the highs of the day on Tesla. Nice, we're still climbing nicely.
Good morning, Morgan. Good morning, everyone. Here's what's happening at this hour. While the nation's attention was focused on violence at the Capitol building, more American COVID-19 deaths were reported yesterday.
Jack, are you in an Exxon Mobil trade?
Johns Hopkins puts the toll at almost 3,900, topping the previous high of close to 3,800 deaths, which was set on Tuesday. Yesterday also saw the second highest daily case count at about 253,000. A newly elected Republican representative from Kansas tweets today that he has tested positive for COVID. Jake LaTurner says that he has no symptoms and is quarantining. A lockdown is now in place for a city of at least 10 million people near Beijing after COVID cases there more than doubled, bringing the total to 90 since Sunday. And And some Chinese vaccines, along with the
SHIP,
AstraZeneca
Synergy,
now being reviewed by the
getting a
Drug
pump to the
Authorization for
eye.
possible emergency listings. You are up to
Shares
date
up
with
about
71
10.5%.
and I'll send it back to you.
Sue, thank you. Coming up, an exclusive with the CEO of T-Mobile, Mike Sievert. That's right after this break. Stay with us.
There goes Tesla breaking out again, guys. Nice breakout on Tesla.
You know what hurts? What really hurts?
What?
What really, really hurts? What really, really, really hurts? But you know what's painless? Using ZocDoc to find an in-network doctor and compare reviews. And what actually feels kinda good?
Oh, that's better.
A same-day appointment.
What'd you say?
To instantly book an in-person or video visit, download ZocDoc.
Look, you're spending countless hours in spreadsheets trying to organize your finances. You're
This
missing
isn't
out.
how.
Stop wasting time.
Let Truebill do the work for you.
It's the easiest way to save time and money.
Download today and take control of your finances.
Tesla breaking that 793.30.
Or you go bigger.
Okay, that shit's like a bust, detective.
The Real Housewives of Dallas. Every Tuesday night at 9, only on Bravo. And catch up anytime on Bravo On Demand.
Did you know Geico could save you hundreds on car insurance and a whole lot more? So what are you waiting for? Hit up your tag team to help your grand dessert. Geico. See all the ways you could save.
Want to power up? Go Pro X7 for builder productivity.
Let's see. Skyjack says Boeing's on the move. Tesla getting up. New highs of the day on Tesla. 794 on Tesla. Amazon still didn't break that 3,200 yet. Guys, we already have a $500 gain on our Tesla trade.
Just walk on the street, just getting checked. Markets
795 on Tesla.
the Dow and the S&P both at fresh records this morning. The Dow is up more than 300 points, or about 1%. The S&P breaking above 3,800, 3803, up about 1.5%. And the Nasdaq Composite is also up 2% right now. Meantime, in the wake of yesterday's violence in Capitol Hill, business leaders are calling for unity. The Business Roundtable saying that, quote, it could not be clearer that this is the time for the nation and lawmakers to unite around President-elect Biden. And that's where we're going to start today with our next guest, Mike Sievert, CEO at T-Mobile. Mike, thanks for being with us today.
Of course, it's always great to be here, especially on a slow news day like today to help you out.
So slow. And certainly want to talk to you a little bit about your original reason for coming on, which is the fact that you did pre-announce earnings last night. We'll get to that in a minute. First, I do want to start with the fact that we have heard from quite a number of
Let's see here.
devastating events we did see on Capitol Hill.
I was just reading that article there about Trump and his properties that Ephraim posted in the trade room.
Yesterday, we were shocked, and our instincts when something big happens in this country are always.
I'd like to know how you get a $300 million loan from the bank.
And second, make sure our network is operating.
If I could get a $300 million loan, I'd be a billionaire as well.
But of course, the second instinct
Got to know where to invest it.
is to have something.
Real estate, definitely down here in Florida.
I immediately reached out to all nearly 80,000 of our people yesterday afternoon to make it clear that when something like this happens, we have to denounce it.
Well, that's what I mean, Jack. How do you get up to that level, you know? Okay, you got a house that's worth $500,000, but you go to the bank, how do you say, hey, I need $300 million?
But what we saw yesterday wasn't that. And you know,
I guess you just got to build your way up over time.
we start this year.
Let's see, Boeing. You guys are saying Boeing's taking off here nicely, huh? Boeing's looking good for a swing trade here, guys. That's going to be one I'm going to jump into for a swing. That's not too bad there.
Barr calls Trump conduct a betrayal of the presidency. Says orchestrating a mob is inexcusable.
Let's see, I'd go with the February 19th Expo. Be on the safe side.
Something that I think has been quite a debate within boardrooms and probably C-suites, which is, how outspoken should a CEO and the leader of a company be in the midst
Guys, I think I'm going to jump into the
When you see, there's still this
Boeing
perhaps that,
February 19th.
still building,
We'll end the morning session with this trade right here.
as one of those key pillars, I think that makes America great and makes America
So February 19th,
as a place for business. Does this chip away at
let's
that
see.
sense of certainty, that sense of rule of law here in the U.S.?
I'll pick up the 220s. A lot of volume on those. I'll pick up one contract. Let's see. Buy to open, place trade, and I am in, guys. I'm in at 1190. That's the trade we just made. I made this order status, and we got a complete fill here. So Boeing February 19th 220 call. We are in at 1190 a contract.
UAL,
1190.
United Airlines increases staffing at Washington area airports and close contact with appropriate law enforcement agencies. That's UAL.
President-elect Biden becomes president later this month. In the midst of everything that we saw happening down in D.C. yesterday, we did see 2 Democratic senators elected in Georgia as well. What does not only the Biden administration, but also now a democratically controlled Congress mean for business for you and also for the telecom industry more broadly?
Efren, if we could add those things in the alert there. So target 250. The catalyst is going to be the Biden stimulus package coming once he takes office, along with Boeing shares climbing off the 50-day simple moving average off the daily chart here. Our stop is going to be a tight stop of, let's say, 205. 205 slash share or 50% max stop loss. So we got 2 little things there. Look at Tesla taking off. 797 on Tesla now, near an $800 a share. Nice run there. Alrighty, so again, Boeing, target 250, catalyst, Biden stimulus, and stock climbing off 50, breaking through that 10-day SMA. Stop is going to be either 50% max stop loss or 205 a share. Looking good there for a quick trade. Let's see here. Tesla's still on the run. Our Intel trade's doing nicely. Tesla trades up really nicely already. Looking good there, guys. Ray, I guess so. Qs are just flattening out now after that big run we had this morning. So I think that's going to be it for this morning's trading session, guys. If you guys want to come join us on YouTube here, go to breakingchartalerts.com. You guys can click on live support over here and ask us anything you'd like. There's a live representative there 24 hours. If you want to go to and join us, go to membership pricing plans, hit on that. And then if you sign up for the Elite Pro Trader right here for $2,500, it's not going to be $2,500 if you use Holiday 2020. That'll save you 35% off. It'll be about $1,600 or $1,700 right around there for the yearly membership. And that includes the entire Trading Academy, all the lessons, all the courses, and the live morning and afternoon trading session, along with our app trade challenge and all the alerts we have going with it. So I will see you guys there. If you guys join us, go to live trade room, click on the live trade room, and then you can see here for the live morning, live afternoon trading.
6 months or every year, we don't know.
Alrighty, guys, that's going to do it for us this morning. Great job this morning. Let's look for some more day trade setups here in the afternoon. Looking forward to it, guys. Have a great morning. Take care, and I'll see you guys live at 2 again. I'm going to be here in the trade room. So I'll see you guys in the trade room here. Take care, guys. God bless. Nice gains on Tesla today, too, we made. And on Baidu, the day trade we did.